Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida. And this is the home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And we've been very, very busy. We're doing quite a few truck mount builds. In fact, a lot of heat exchanger builds, as you can see in the background. We've got more that are going to be fabricated. And this video here is to introduce the Baron Buster, which is an automatic pump out system designed and fabricated by Blue Baron. It's got a macerator pump capable of 300 gallon per hour, which equates to 1,136 liters per hour. Fully capable of pumping out all of your wastewater into a safe place. This is the drain. It's got a nice clamp down system here. All stainless fittings, some of which a lot of companies don't use. You see some of them that are galvanized, like the HydroMaster pump out system. They're using all galvanized. We use all stainless fittings. We even use stainless brackets with open slotted 3/8. And we use a ProChem pump switch as the connection to your pump. And it has a 3.5 inch swing so that it's not cycling all the time. So it actually had, from the closed position to the on position, it takes about 3.5 inches of travel. This has the ports here that the nipple, this is 1 1/4, or you can adapt it to a 1.5. This is a 1.5, and this reduces down to a 1 1/4 through this bushing. But either way, as it comes in, it goes down the hose and into here and out through the macerator pump. So if you have fibers and hair or whatever that comes down through this pathway, it gets all ground up into more smaller particles. And that's one of the reasons why we don't have a filter here, because you don't need one. So it comes right through. And a lot of times, in most cases, these are used for like RV wastewater pumps, but we decided, instead of using the centrifugal pump like Sapphire Scientific uses, we decided to go into a better pump that will actually allow you to have a more smoother transition from the recovery tank to where it's destined to go, whether it be out in a clean out or wherever. So this is a very nice system. Again, it's got an attractive poly board. It's all tight and put together nicely and organized. We'll have instructions with it. So if you have any questions, call us today at 727-505-2989. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com. And we'll be more than happy to equip you with a very, very nice, nicely priced automatic pump out system by Blue Baron. So call us at 727-505-2989 or look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7.